Genre: realistic fiction, informational text. Essential question: in what ways might a new school benefit a community? Victor's Journal by Wendy Reyes. Illustrated by Laura Ovrasat. Victor's Journal, February 23rd. Building begins. Beep, beep, beep. That was the sound I heard this morning. At first I thought it was my alarm clock. I lay still while the beeping continued. Then I realized that the noise was coming from outside. It was the sound of a truck backing up. The truck noises could only mean one thing. They started building my new school. A few months ago, the city placed a sign in the empty field across the street from my house. The sign said, "The new home of Langston Elementary." Can you believe it, Grandma? A new school right across the street. Since only you and Aunt Ada can read this online journal, you will both get to be my audience as I write all about how the building process goes. Victor's Journal, March 4th. Dumping Day. Before school, I watched a giant bulldozer scrape up dirt and unload it into the back of a dump truck. When the truck was full, it drove off down the street. Then a second dump truck drove onto the field to take another load. My neighbor said the trucks worked all day long. She counted 20 trips in all. They moved a lot of dirt today, Aunt Ada. Victor's Journal, March 27th. Catching the excavator in action. Hi, Grandma and Aunt Ada. I am looking out my bedroom window as I write this entry. A big machine is digging holes in the ground. This machine is called an excavator. It uses a large metal shovel to scoop dirt out of the ground. Dad said the workers are digging a hole for the ground floor. Then the workers will place bricks around the edges of the hole. These bricks will hold up the building. Victor's Journal, April 28th. From fences to blueprints. The workers started building the school only a few short weeks ago. Right now, the area is just an orange fence surrounding giant piles of dirt. Every day, workers in yellow hard hats climb around the piles of dirt like ants. Some of the workers carry long, rolled-up papers under their arms. Mom said those rolled papers are blueprints. The blueprints tell the workers what the school will look like when it is completed. Victor's Journal, June 13th. New people, new school. Grandma, you asked, what is it about this new school that excites you most? Our town has grown very quickly. New people are moving here all the time. All the new faces at school are a lot of fun. However, all of the new students have made the old school building crowded. Our town held a vote and decided to build a new school. The vacant field across the street was the perfect place for the new building. That works out great for Jana and me. We will not have far to walk. I do not know much about the new school yet, but looking outside my window, it looks a lot bigger than my old school. What a relief! Victor's Journal, August 28th. Cement mixing. The cement trucks arrived today. I found out how they work. The cement sits in this giant tub that rests on the back of the truck. The tub turns when the truck moves. This turning keeps the cement from sticking to the sides of the tub. As the tub turns, the cement mixes together. When the workers are ready to pour cement, They attach a long slide from the tub to the ground. A worker then pulls a lever and opens a slot at the back of the tube. The cement oozes down the slide and onto the ground. Then the workers use shovels and brooms to spread the cement evenly. Victor's Journal, September 7th. Preparing for the build. Hi, Grandma and Aunt Ada. A lot of changes have occurred with a new school building over the past week. First, the workers laid bricks in the ground. Then they installed pipes. The pipes bring water into the school. These pipes are dug deep in the ground. That way, the water does not freeze when it gets cold outside. There is so much cool machinery. I have seen big trucks and small trucks. I have seen trucks with tires that are as tall as I am. The workers are using cranes to move heavy stacks of wood and pipes. The wood will be used to build a frame for the school, and the pipes will be used to bring gas into the school. The cranes look like giant hands reaching down to pick up sticks. The cranes are my favorite machines. Victor's Journal, October 28th. We have a building frame. The building is starting to look like a real school. Dad and I talked to one of the workers yesterday. She said that tomorrow they will start building the frame, which is like the skeleton of a building. Then they will install walls, windows, and doors. After that, they will put on the roof. The workers said that they will install the stairs, too. Yesterday, I found out that the new cafeteria will also have a large stage. The new stage will be perfect for plays and concerts. I like to perform in plays, so I cannot wait. Maybe I'll be in one, and then you can both travel to see it. Victor's Journal, February 9th. Raising the roof. Today the workers put on the roof. More than 12 builders started working before I left for school. One of them was my neighbor, Mr. Johnson. He said part of the roof will be made out of glass. This will allow sunlight to stream into the classrooms. It will also provide sunlight to all the plants inside the school. March 16th. Preparing for the seasons. Today, workers insulated the walls of the school. Insulation slows or stops heat and cold from creeping into the building. Insulation will help the school stay cool in summer and warm in winter. We still have a long way to go until the school opens. However, my teacher says we are getting close. Victor's Journal, March 29th. Eco-friendly school. One of the building planners came to talk to my class today. He said the new school is going to have solar panels. Last week, a large flatbed truck pulled into the school parking lot. In the back of the truck lay several large black and silver panels. Each panel was about the size of a closet door. They gleamed in the sunlight. The panels looked like something from a science fiction movie. Using a crane, the workers pulled the huge panels to the roof. There are 14 solar panels in all. According to the planner, the solar panels will provide electricity to half the school. They will also cut the electricity bill in half. Neat. Victor's Journal, May 10th. The floor is finished. Hi, Grandma and Aunt Ada. The school is almost finished. Yesterday, Mom toured the school with some other parents. She saw the workers install a new floor inside the science lab. The floor is checkered and painted blue and gold, our school colors. Mom also watched workers pour concrete for the sidewalks and ramps. Victor's Journal, July 22nd. Soccer field and school garden. The school building has a large field behind it. That is where they are going to put in a soccer field and running track. I saw the new principal, Mr. Reyes, inspecting the soccer field. He even helped place the goals at both ends of the field. Dad said that the school will also have a community garden. It will be near the soccer field. He heard the students will be in charge of it. We will plant and take care of the vegetables. They will even use the vegetables in the cafeteria. Victor's Journal, August 19th. Back to the new school. Wow, that is all I can say. Wow. Today we went to the opening ceremony at the new school. We had a blast. Principal Rice and the teachers handed out balloons. We also heard the school band play. Even Mayor Lopez was there to unveil the new school sign. After the ceremony, we went on a tour of the school. We saw the cafeteria, and I got to see the stage. We visited the new school library, which is a lot bigger than the library at the old school. The workers also gave us a tour of the roof, and we got to see the solar panels. It was all very exciting, Aunt Ada. The coolest part of the experience was when I was interviewed by a reporter for the newspaper. I told the reporter I watched the whole construction process. I also told him some of my favorite parts from watching the workers build. If they put my name in the paper, Grandma, I'll mail you a copy. School starts in a couple weeks. Next time I write an entry in this journal, it will be from the school's new computer lab. Maybe I will take a photo and post it.